Now, joining me here in the garage are Jens and Simon from KTM. KTM develops and produces race-ready off-road and street motorcycles that are distributed through more than 1,700 independent dealers around the world. Guys, thank you for being with us here today.
We are happy to be here, Mike. KTM's strategy is to grow our business globally. Our goal is to become the world's biggest manufacturer of sport motorcycles. We are already growing rapidly, but one of our challenges in the new growth markets is the lack of experience. This can make it challenging to get repairs made correctly, and it can be difficult to make those repairs on time.
Jens, we've been talking about augmented reality in the enterprise. So how do you see KTM benefiting from AR both now and into the future?
We see a huge potential in augmented reality as a way to help us address the service challenges. It can allow our technician to perform service faster, even with little or none experience on our bikes. Our vision for technician is to run diagnostics and know exactly what is going on with the bike even before they begin. Augmented reality will help us deliver a more consistent level of service around the globe. And because action speaks so much louder than words, we are also exploring lower translation costs since our manuals will require less text in them.
So faster and cheaper service. That sounds great. Let's take a look at a live example.
Absolutely, Mike. Simon here is a new technician and he doesn't have a lot of experience working on KTM bikes. Since all the bikes here in the shot are smart connected bikes, Simon can manage his work from one dashboard on his iPad. We are looking at the service technician app built by PTC and KTM using ThingWorx. Here is a list of all the bikes that need servicing today. He is going to work on the first bike on his list, the 690 Duke. Here we see detailed information about the bike. The customer reports a warning light and noticed a higher fuel consumption. Normally, a technician would rely on his experience and diagnose based on what the customer told him and refer to the manual. But Simon is going to use apps diagnostics to figure out the problem. It looks like the lambda probe is causing the issue.
Okay, but Simon is a new technician, right? So how does he know where the lambda probe is located in the bike?
Exactly, he doesn't. But just by selecting Show Me, he finds out. Using AR, he can see the location of the lambda probe.
So wow, that's so helpful to see the marrying of that 3D CAD data with the reality of the bike right here in front of us.
Right. Simon can clearly see that the probe's connection is up behind this panel. Now he needs to know how to get behind it and check the connection. The app shows him how to remove the panel. With the panel off, Simon is able to access the probe and check the connection.
Okay, Jens, while Simon does the work on the bike, can you tell us about some of the other use cases for augmented reality that KTM is considering?
We want to use AR to present clear compiling information in the context of the actual product. Of course, as we have seen here, there's tremendous value in AR for technical training, whether the technician is in the classroom or back in his workshop. AR can help to understand the product much easier. We are also expecting the use of AR for marketing and sales to create a richer experiences for our customer to learn more about our bikes.
Well, Jens, it looks like the lambda probe wasn't properly connected, but now it's reconnected.
Okay, great. Let's check if the issue is solved. The bike is still connected, so let's run another diagnostics again. As we can see now, the issue is solved. Thanks, Simon. Great job. We believe AR will really speed up more complex tasks by allowing the technician to find information and understand the product much faster than today.
That's outstanding, guys. Thank you so much for being here, for showing off the demonstration, and for representing KTM at the Thing event.